2 Kings chapter 23. In the heart of Judah, King Josiah stood determined to bring his people back to the Lord. This time for change had come. After discovering the forgotten book of the law, Josiah gathered the entire nation, young and old, to hear its words. With the covenant renewed, Josiah led his people in promise to follow the Lord with all their hearts and soul. Josiah didn't stop at words. He traveled throughout Judah, tearing down every high place, smashing idols, and burning the bones of false priests. He left no trace of corruption that had plagued his land. The temple was cleared, and the true worship was restored. Josiah even reintroduced the Passover, a celebration long neglected. It was the greatest Passover Judah had since the days of Judges, a moment of unity and renewal. But even the righteous faced trials. Josiah, confronted with the rise of power of Egypt, only meets his ends on the battlefield of Megiddo. The nation wept for their fallen king, the last great leader who had sought out to turn Judah back to God. Though his reign was brief, Josiah's legacy of faith and renewed left an incredible mark on Judah, a testament to the power of the righteous leadership. In the pages of history, legacy of good kings shine the brightest, even in the face of inedible darkness. You have a blessed, wonderful day. One day at a time. We're going to read the entire book of the Bible. Get into your word, read along, watch on Facebook, watch on YouTube, share the word. Let's get more people to see what God's word is.